Good morning, good morning. It is officially December 1st. Oh my God. Do you know what that means? It is the first day of vlogmas. All right, for all my 5 years on YouTube, I've never fully understood if vlogmas starts on December 1st, like you start filming on December 1st and you upload on December 2nd, or whether you start filming on November 30th and then upload on December 1st. You know what? I don't have the answer still. Doesn't matter. I decided that it's gonna be this way. I'll explain later because I need to head off to a workout, but we'll see if Vlogmas ends up actually being a 25 days of videos. I would love if it could be, but things get busy, so we'll just have to see. That's my goal. I thought it would be a great reason to kick my butt into gear with actually posting videos again because things have been so busy. Anyway, my car is in the freaking shop. Well, it's about to be in the shop. So I have to Uber to this workout and then get my car towed. It was a whole saga. My car's outside my house, but I have to get it towed to a service station to get serviced because it's very risky to drive it, so I ain't gonna do it. So yes, I'm gonna call an Uber to this workout. That is dedication, my friends. All right, alarm, stop. So, gonna get ready and I will talk to you in a second. Peep my new workout clothes drawer on my bed. Oh my God, it looks so pretty. There's so many pants to choose from. But I'm gonna go with these, as well as these really cool tie-dyed Nike socks that I got from Melrose Trading Post, and then some sort of shirt. We'll figure it out. Uber's about to arrive. Here we are at the decamp, Lonnie. Good workout. Ever since they started making us wear masks again, which was literally yesterday, my first one with a mask again. It's a lot harder.
Yeah, I still got 4 miles though.
Woo!
I don't know how I did. Ow! That's how I did that.
All right, I am home now from the workout. I made Lonnie drive me to the grocery store and then home, so I just got a bunch of food. Gonna eat some breakfast and edit. It's kind of a boring work day today, so I think instead of bringing you fully around, I'm actually gonna rewind to some of my room updates because I still have filmed some room updates, major changes, major transformation that I have not yet put in a vlog. So we're gonna do that right now and I'll catch you on the flip. What's up, you guys? Welcome to another house/room makeover vlog. So last you saw, I went to IKEA, got some goods. I mentioned in the last vlog that they didn't have in stock any of the bigger furniture that I wanted. So I ended up ordering things, and first I had taken your guys' feedback on Instagram. I had these polls running. So basically I was trying to decide whether I wanted like this really cool headboard situation that kind of looked like a hotel style headboard, or if I just wanted to get a frame with storage and then like figure out another cool, creative, like cute thing to do above my bed, whether that's a shelf or I have some other ideas that I'll show you guys. So here are the results of the poll. Ultimately though, I realized that I just get sick of things so easily. The headboard was so cute, but I didn't realize till after I posted the poll that it actually goes a little bit too long. It would go over my 2 windows by like an inch or 2. So I was like, you know what? It's another 150 bucks. I may as well just get the frame and figure it out later. So then for my dresser, I really wanted a dresser that fits this entire space. Let me show you really quick. Basically, here's my game plan. So my TV is usually here. I took it downstairs to watch sports the other day, but this was always my dresser that's right here. What I plan on doing is actually moving this dresser into the closet for some more efficient clothing storage in there. And then I really wanted to get a dresser that was a little bit more flush with this wall. So like a lower, wider dresser that almost in an ideal world would like fit from here to here, because I just felt like that could be a more sophisticated look, is having it kind of just fit the dimensions of the space versus having kind of all of this open space. So I did have a pretty hard time finding a dresser that fit that exact dimensions. Everything at IKEA was like way too long. It's either 66 inches or like too short. But I finally found this one IKEA dresser that only comes in that black brown color, which is like not the color that I want, but it actually fits the space, and it was only 99 bucks. So I went ahead and ordered it, and I actually plan on doing a full DIY of that. That's where the contact paper is gonna come in, and I'm gonna get white paint, and I'm gonna make this cool, like fancy, kind of mid-century modern looking dresser. But really exciting, my bed frame and this dresser actually got delivered yesterday. So they're kind of sitting right here, some are downstairs. And here's the interesting part. start. Our new roommate comes on Sunday, so pretty much I have like a few days to get all of this done. But I do want to show you kind of this mock-up that I made. So this is a picture of that wall in my room that has my bed. This is when I was trying to decide, like, do I want a headboard, do I not? It obviously looks janky, but I kind of showed what the frame is and like something I could do in the background. So I haven't decided on this fully, but I do want to show you that I actually did order this rug. So this is from Overstock. I just took a screenshot. I ordered this rug, so I'm definitely gonna have this. And then my bed frame is that white one with storage drawers. So I don't know when the rug's coming, but I obviously can't build the bed frame until I have the rug. So we're kind of just playing a waiting game, but guess what? There's plenty to do until then. I actually made a master list last night. Not even of my room stuff yet. This is just all of like house things we have to do before our roommate comes. But to be honest, I love this stuff. It's therapeutic and it's fun. So I'm glad I'm taking you guys along. All right, so my closet is a total shit show. I have to get rid of stuff in order to fit that dresser in that closet. I bought some large trash bags and I'm literally gonna go through everything, and I'm gonna have a keep pile, a donate pile, and like a I'm not sure / maybe pile. Basically in the maybe pile, I'll give myself like a couple months, and if I don't reach for it, I'll get rid of it. So I do purge my closet kind of a lot, but I feel like I just am not always as strict as I should be. There are some things in here that I definitely haven't worn in like years. So we're just gonna start, and some stuff I'll try on, some stuff I won't, but we're just gonna do the best we can. Here's the silly thing that comes with this. A lot of times I'm gonna have to try stuff on. Like this dress, I was like, I'm gonna keep it. And then I was like, what if it doesn't fit me anymore? Then I don't wanna keep it. And I have lost weight since like, you know, years ago when I bought some of this stuff. So this dress is like not the perfect fit, but I feel like it fits me well enough where I could get it tailored if I ever really felt like I needed to. But also maybe I just don't keep it. I don't know, this is tough. It doesn't fit me that well. Okay, this is something that would go in the maybe pile. I really liked this set, but it's just not my size anymore, and that's really sad. So I'm like sad to be parting ways with it, but oh well. Okay, so this is my like memory box that I kept in my closet, and whenever there was something like sentimental or a memory, like a wristband from a festival or something, I would throw it in here. But this box has grown really large, so I think I need to go through this and be a little bit more specific and picky about what sentimental things I hold on to, because these are things that I'm gonna like keep for the rest of my life. It's not stuff I go reach for, so I think there's probably some stuff in here that I don't need. So we're gonna go through it now. This is literally a tank top with a picture of my ex-boyfriend on it. I thought I was super clever and I made us shirts with each other on them. I'm gonna get rid of that one. All right, good news. I went from this huge box of stuff to this littler box. So that's exciting. All right, you guys, a million years later, this half of my closet is done. Not done like how it's gonna look in terms of like organization, but done like I've cleaned and purged it out. I don't know if you remember what it was before. It looks like there's still a ton of clothes, but I'll show you in a minute what I got rid of. And then I got down to a lot of shoes that I donated. And then you guys never saw back here, but there was a humongous memory box. And now I just have the small one, so I'm feeling really good about that. I'm gonna show you so far the garbage bags of clothes. So I have these two huge garbage bags of clothes right now that I'm getting rid of. And then I've just about filled a whole nother one. And then this is the shoes that I'm gonna get rid of. So making some serious progress. I just went through the other side of my closet as well. Let me show you that. So I haven't done the top shelf yet, but I literally went through all of my sweaters and sweatshirts and hoodies and all of my like athletic jackets and pared that down. And then this was in there holding my jewelry and sunglasses. But like I said, what I'm actually gonna be doing is putting that dresser in here. So I think my last task of the night is going to be to try to go through that dresser and just move it in here. Even if I don't fully go through it. Actually, I might just not even go through it. I'm just gonna move it in here because I just want it in here so that I can start building the other dresser in that spot. So I'm gonna do that, and then I gotta hit the hay because I have a workout tomorrow. So let's do it. All right, success. Whoa, hello voice crack. Success, got the dresser in there. I had to actually scoot over a little bit that way because I realized the drawers won't actually open with the closet door. So now I'm just gonna put the drawers back. All right, vlogmas day 1. We're back to the present time. All I literally did all day was edit a video, so you missed nothing anyway. I thought I was gonna do fun things. Actually, no, I didn't. I knew I was gonna edit that video, but I thought I might go to Home Goods, didn't end up doing that, so it's perfect that I stuck that other footage in there. Anyway, I just got to Nick's Galaxy, and we have a new addition to the bedroom. It's a third roommate in the room. It's a third physical, literal roommate. It's a bike on the wall. Woo!
You always have the bike.
Now I can pedal in my sleep. You're gonna wake up and I'm just gonna be on it. Do you think I could hang from it?
No, not at all. Not at all. We're not gonna do that.
Do you think it will fall on me?
No, not at all. It's on a stud. It's definitely secure. It's not going anywhere.
It's only looping through that one loop?
That's
the only loop?
It's holding it there and it's being supported down here. It's all good.
That one loop is the only thing holding it. That looks sketchy.
It is all good.
Okay.
In the hood.
Well, that's the bike. My sleepover corner is now Nick's sports corner.
This was where, yes, you would drop your things off when staying here.
But now...
we have now presented you in the
I got upgraded. I have closet space now.
Your own drawer.
Literally, I just brought a bag of, it looks like a lot, but really it's just workout clothes, pajama stuff, shoes, and like other toiletries and stuff. So, bada bing, bada boom, I got a drawer. Well, let's go. Is it easy to close? Nah, probably not. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought I worked out. Also, Trader Joe's little fun update. So I've been really into the Scandinavian swimmers. These are Scandinavian mother frickin' tidings, and honestly they're almost the same. Thank you. Mood lighting, rave. Oh my god, it's so cool now. Guys, also check out this thing. So I have my Galaxy thing, but Nick kind of one-upped me and got one that has changing colors. It's Christmas. I like that. There's the Kobe painting I gave him.
Yeah, we got some vibes going on.
Vibes. Immaculate vibes, as I like to say.
Taught by the master herself.
That's me. But as I was saying, the Scandinavian tidings are, you know, mostly the same as the other tidings. But there are a couple that are just phenomenal. Specifically the red stars. And I went to give Nick a red star and realized I ate them all. I didn't mean to though. I think I just accidentally did. They floated to the top because they're the best. So anyway, we're gonna make some food, and then I don't really know. I have a couple more work things to do, but I'm like, ugh, every time I get here I just get so tired. I am so tired from editing all day. Wow, it's so vibey in here. Oh, let me show you their Christmas tree. It smells like my mom's house because it's real. Yeah. Oh my god, the vibes are immaculate. All right, gonna give you a little fit house tour since they just decorated for Christmas and I'm into it. Who knew boys did things like that? Well, they do. We got the young fire ablazing, you know, the candle also ablazing. We got the lights over here that they just put up. This is the plant daddy corner and a nice little mirror, selfie mirror. Then come take it this way. Well, first of all the fit stuff, but then nice flowers and a beautiful tree. Oh, decorated top to bottom, just the most festive. Let's go. And of course we got some tinsel on the tinsely tinsel. Hi. Yeah, so it's like you can be festive and you can get swole at the same time. Pretty cool, right? Thank you, demo boy. Thank you. Also, they just put a dartboard up. Should we see if I can do it? I vote yes. You're not gonna be able to see yet how we did, so just brace yourselves.
A little strong.
Oh, I'm not wearing my contacts. Oh shit, yeah, you can tell. Guys, I'm not wearing my contacts. Let's do better.
Let's do one more.
Okay.
That was your practice, that was your get acclimated round.
You're right. This is so much farther than at your dad's garage. This is way harder. I'm not doing too hot.
Ladies first.
Okay.
Ladies first. There we go.
No.
Oh,
I get to do it again. Wow. Not good. Let's get it. Did you bullseye
That's
it?
a freaking double bowl, baby.
Whoa.
The red? Is it in the red?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Nice job, champion. In the kitchen, cooking in the stir fry. Except it's scallopian tubes.
Oh, baby.
They look so good. Some gluten-free brown rice pasta. Here we go. Pesto, pesto. And ladies and gentlemen, dinner has almost been served and I look like a literal peanut. Oh my, this is alarming. Every time I film from this angle, I look like Squidward had a baby with a potato. I look like Poot Lovato.
Positive self-talk.
If anyone, only at this angle. I'm beautiful at this angle. I know.
Let's go.
Okay. Ooh, let's freaking do it.
Pesto pasta.
Yeah.
Scalloped
Oh my god,
two
look at my
layers.
head.
Featuring a weighted vest.
Yeah, gotta get those gains.